Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 35 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone or your iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your phone to send the notifications to your watch. So what we need to open is the settings on our iPhone. So open the settings. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here on the list of my devices, you should see the Forerunner 35. Tap on the info icon next to it, and on this page, you should see the share system notifications option, and this option needs to be enabled. If you're missing this option, because it is possible that you're missing this option, close the settings, open the Garmin Connect application, tap on more, find the Garmin devices, tap on it, select your Forerunner 35. Here tap on device settings. Find the phone notifications and tap on it. And here turn off the notifications. Go back to the main page. You will see the device settings saved. Then go back to the device settings and re-enable the notifications. Like that. Go back. You will see the device settings saved. Sync the watch with your phone by tapping on this icon right here and wait. And after a second or two, you should see the notification pop up about the about the notification permission, my bad. It might even pop up even earlier before you turn off and on the notifications. But once you see that pop up, allow it, the permission. You need to allow it. And once you allow the permission, you can close the app, go back to settings and double check in Bluetooth and info if the option is here and if it's enabled. If it's enabled, you can go back to the main page of settings, scroll through it, find the Connect application on the list, tap on it, and here you should see the option called Bluetooth, and this option also needs to be enabled. And once it is, you can close the settings, and now we can customize the settings for our notifications. So open the Garmin Connect application again. In the app, you should see the home page, tap on more, tap on Garmin devices, select Forerunner 35 from the list, tap on device settings, tap on phone notifications, and here we can customize settings for the notifications. We can turn them off or on by tapping on the switch. As you can see, we have two categories, during activity and not during activity. This is basically two states of the watch. During activity is when you're recording activity on your watch, like cycling, running, and stuff like that. And not during activity is anything else, when you're not recording activity. And we can turn on and off the notifications for one of these states, or both of them actually, but you can also tap on show, and here we can select which types of notifications you want to see, and we have calls only or not all notifications. And the alert option allows you to select tones, vibration, or tones and vibration. So customize this to your liking, and once you're done, go back. You will see this message, device settings saved, and to apply them you need to sync the devices together, so tap on the sync icon. Okay, now I'm gonna check if I'm logged in into Discord. I am, so I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and we should receive that message on our watch. As you can see, we got it on our iPhone and also on our watch. So it means it's working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.